Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Irene. Thank you for watching my videos. Today recipe we are going to make vegetable rice with chicken. These are our ingredients: yellow pepper, garlic, ginger and turmeric. We are going to grate turmeric and ginger together and garlic together to a paste. Kindly guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel, help me grow. I'm new here, I need your support. You chop your onions, kindly help me. On another bowl you put your chicken, then you marinate it with black pepper, the paste, then with the powder and pilau masala, then you put a little bit of oil, then you cover for 30 minutes as you cook our rice. I appreciate everyone here for being with me, seeing my videos, sharing, my liking, subscribing. Thank you guys for showing me love. You see how tender our meat is. You cover it, then keep aside. On the next you put onions, the paste, then you fry on a low heat so that it won't stuck down. We add our remaining turmeric powder, we stir together. Put pilau masala with our vegetables. We stir together on a low heat. Put your salt. We stir together. Put your rice, soft rice we washed before we start cooking. Then you add water. Don't over rice. Add your water. You cover. Cook on a low heat for like 15 minutes. Our rice is like halfly. Cover again. Reduce the heat. That's our meat after marinating. So our rice is halfly cooked. We're going to set it aside and fry our chicken on shallow. Put oil in a pan, stir it together, then let it heat, then put your chicken. That's our chicken. See how nice it looks. Yummy. I think you can feel the aroma from the video. That's how our meat. And kindly, this one is a recipe for one person, and it's very yummy. You like it? See how I chicken it. You can also use this recipe. You can exclude the rice. You can use it. You can go along. On that, our halfly cooked rice, put the chicken and cover it to simmer for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes on a low heat. Guys, thank you so much for being there. Thank you for watching my videos to the end. That's our meat. That's our food. You see how tender the juicy the chicken is. You can serve it with juice, mango juice, water, any beverage of your choice. Thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.